Welcome to our Discovery Lab online videos. My name is Bethany Trisha and I'm here with the Outreach Division at the Fort Worth Museum of Science and History. And today we're going to learn a little bit about snowflakes and then do a really fun paper snowflake craft. Let's get started. So before we get to our activity, let's learn a little bit about snowflakes themselves. Snowflakes are formed as water starts to cool and the molecules move closer together. Since all water molecules are shaped the same, they align in a six-sided crystal. And all snowflakes always have six sides. They are thought to be like a fingerprint in that no two snowflakes are the same, but this has yet to be proven by science. A form and shape of a snowflake all depends on the temperature and moisture content of the clouds that they fall from. And there are six kinds of snowflakes: plate or flat, column, star, dendrite or lacy, needle, and capped column. The largest recorded snowflake was in Montana at 38 centimeters wide and 20 centimeters thick. And they all start from tiny ice crystals that are formed from water vapor that is frozen in the atmosphere. They're made up of about 200 ice crystals and fall at 3 to 4 miles an hour. And 80% of our fresh water on Earth comes from ice and snow. So let's go make our own paper snowflake. So for a paper snowflakes craft, you're going to need a few supplies. You're going to need a stapler, some tape, about 6 pieces of paper, and a pair of scissors. Okay, to start making our paper snowflake craft, you're going to take one sheet of paper and you're going to fold it over where one of the corners meets the edge. You're going to want to we're trying to cut our rectangle paper into squares. So we're going to fold it over, and it kind of looks like a sail ship over, almost. Then you're going to cut the excess piece off here. Right where the paper lays over, we're going to cut straight off. You can save that piece of paper for another craft, or you can make very, very small snowflakes if you decide. And then you're going to fold your paper over again to make a triangle. So when we cut, you're going to want to make sure the fold, your last fold, is facing up and that it looks like a triangle facing this way. You want it to, it's kind of how you want it to face, where the first fold is facing down and opens up like this, facing that way. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut 3 slits. You're going to cut one just like this. Not all the way through, but almost to the very end. So it kind of looks like this. You've got one slit there, one slit there, one slit there. So I have 4 separate pieces of paper hanging. Right, now we're going to unfold. So it should look like this. Then we're going to take our tape, do one section at a time. We're going to start with our middle here, this little middle fold here. And we're going to fold it over each other and tape it down. So we're going to fold it like this and tape it straight down. Make sure it's nice and secure. Then we're going to fold it or flip it over. Take another piece of tape, take that second middle section, and do the exact same thing. Tape it down. We're going to keep doing this process until we get all four pieces of paper taped down. Flip it over again. Tape that one down too, right, until it looks like this. They're pretty cool little designs here. You're going to want to make 6 of these. It's made. You're going to connect them at one end, just like this. Well, it kind of looks like a butterfly this way. And then you're going to staple them down all together. And you can even staple the sides together if you'd like, or you can tape them down so that they connect better. I always staple mine together because now they kind of just fall apart. They kind of fall away from each other and don't make a full circle. And staple and staple just a few times until we've gone completely around and connected all of our pieces. One more, it looks like. One more. So you have a really cool snowflake. Thank you so much for joining us today and learning about snowflakes and making a paper snowflake craft. We hope to see you soon at the Fort Worth Museum of Science and History.